Greetings from Hoi An. We are here again, ready for day 2 of the paint cave. As you know, yesterday wasn't enough to finish the whole project, so we need to do the shading today, which is going to be very painful. But well, I'm looking forward to the finished result. But I got myself some additional carbs so I can stay strong. So I'm gonna eat those right now and then get the show started. And as usual, I'm taking good care of. Hour 0. Alright, almost 1. Here we have a little update. (3 p.m. update. Not gonna lie, struggling a little bit. Probably like 3 or 4 more hours of this. Just past 4 o'clock. Shoulder pretty much done. Looks very dark now, but it will be a bit less dark in like a couple of weeks. But I am in the paint cave. 20 past 6. The last update before the finished product. Normally we have like the inside over here, which is going to hurt like a mother. But wow. Head done, bottom claw done, only the inside claw left. The most painful one. It's looking very crisp. Oh. And now I'm being wrapped like a Christmas present. Or a birthday present. I am my own present right now. Never doing this again. But I was in very good hands. Shin did a very good job. Yes. So we'll after dinner we'll take this off and then I can take another video. Yeah. Oh, okay. So you heard it. Dinner time. Hour 0. We have the original